Cell Activator we're using today. I was in Niagara Falls last week, and across on the American side, there was like a casino, and there's these like neon lights on the building, and they were full, like, I was just so inspired. Maybe I'll put the picture in here. You might think I'm weird, but I get inspired, you know, but it was like dark pinks, light pinks, teals, purples, all together. Why don't I show you what colors I kind of mixed up? So these are all TLP neons, okay? Now in the TLP line, the neons are opaque and the rest are transparent, which is important for what I'm doing today. Because what I want to do today, I don't know if it was last video where I did the marbled background, by the way, which I love. Here's the dried version of it. So, you know, I love the different translucent layers that come through. I know it's hard to see in these crazy lights, but like for me, this is so exciting. Like what's happening, you know what I mean? This was with the Benjamin Moore pillow, which I approve for swiping only, not for hair dryers. Maybe kind of for like a small bloom that you're gonna blow out, because what happens is it doesn't rebound back once you blow it. That's another thing. We haven't really found a proper pillow yet, but this is what it looks like when you go to the store. Like, it's like a little sample. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that today, or I'm gonna go back, and I think they changed the recipe too, but I used to use Glidden Essentials eggshell, and I leave it open I decant them into 3 of these, and I leave it open for a few days to thicken up. I'm not really sure if that's gonna work, or if I'm gonna use that or a Sherwin-Williams, because I wanna do a marbled background again, but this time using all neons. Now, the problem with doing that is they're all opaque. So the colors on the edges might merge together and make their own new colors, but we're not gonna see layers like that. So is there a point to it? I don't know. I just wanted to see these colors. So TLP, Psych. Okay. This is a custom. Oh God, these lights. This is you can't see. This is a custom yellow I made. It's actually quite pretty. I don't know how to show you in these lights. Okay. This one, TLP Groovy, TLP Funk. This is a custom perps I made, a dusty perps I made. And this is the darker pink than Groovy. I forgot what it's called right now. And my Cell Activator, I used Amsterdam Turquoise Green with Aussie Floetrol. By the way, my pouring medium is Bear Dynasty with Josanya. I don't measure. I have a measuring video in there. By the way, the reason I just paused, I got a hate comment. Not on my last video. It was from a video a long time ago. Listen, this woman was very unhappy. She's only left hate comments on my things. However, one of her hate comments was, I can't believe you're still blooping. That's so tired. And like, whatever. She was tired of hearing me bloop. What you guys don't realize is blooping isn't like a gimmick for me. It's actually like my neurodivergent way of measuring. And not only that, Canella measured my bloops as I was saying them, and they're actually like a measurement, whether I'm going bloop, bloop, they're all exact measurements, and it's just my neurodivergent way of learning. So it's not to be annoying or anything. It like actually helps me measure in that way. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know you guys are awesome. I love you. And I really wish the best for this woman, because she also called Canella on my video a twomp. I feel like maybe she imbibes a little bit, because I don't know what a twomp is. I Googled it, and it was, I'm sure she didn't mean it this way, but it's like a $20 bag of marijuana. And that is not what Canella is. Anyways, there you go. So my layers today, I'm gonna try the Glidden Essentials eggshell, then my pouring medium, which is the Dynasty Josanya, and this is Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam turquoise green. I don't know, let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna start with the background marbling. and kind of go from there. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but whatever. Okay, let's start with the Glidden Essentials. She has thickened up a bit. You can still, she still runs after she pours. I feel like, just like they did with the Sherwin-Williams, I feel like, I don't know if they just added more water or like to save, I don't know what they did. Okay. Is this enough? I don't know. Maybe I'll put a little bit more actually, because the whole point of a marble background is to stretch it out. And we want like layers upon layers to see what happens with all opaques. Like I said, I'm not so sure how successful we're gonna be. Also, the key to these is, even though I just kind of mix these up, you don't want lots of air bubbles. See how when I put this down already, the paint is kind of eating it? That could be cool, like for a cool effect, but not necessarily what you're, I don't know if you guys can see, what you're looking for a bloom. Do you see how it's like doing that? I don't know. Again, this is actually the first time I've used this pillow in quite a while. I don't actually mind that look for this. I think it's kind of like giving like, not pearls, but you know what I mean? I don't know. Definitely not what we're hoping for when we're doing a regular bloom, just saying. Now, I'm not gonna put the yellow right on top of the purple. I don't know how, normally if you're using two paints like that, because they're complementary colors, they'll make like a muddy color. I don't know if it will work like this in the pigments, but just in case. Oh, really crazy effects. Again, not necessarily what we're hoping for, but I don't know. So like I said, the idea, I don't know how much we're gonna show through when we stretch it out. But we'll see. Okay. Ooh. Oh, what am I missing? Oh, this light pink here. Again, we don't know. Is this, oh, maybe I'll make a design, right? Okay. And like maybe I'll have negative space. I don't know. What am I missing? I'm missing this one. Because like I'm kind of seeing it like this. I don't know. All right. So now I'm going to stretch it out and see if we can start to see the layers. And if not, maybe I'll play with these weird edges. I don't know. All right. So I'm imagining we're going to keep this white and this not white. So let's start knocking off this side here. I'll go slow. Now I'm not swiping anything yet. The goal of this isn't cells. Oh, I'm starting to see some layering actually. The goal of this is layers within the marble. And I can kind of see certain things happening here. I'm gonna go to this side and then, because I don't want this straight line, so let's see if we can move that around a bit. But, well, could be cool. We don't know yet, as per usual. All right, so we have this. And, oh, the lady also said she didn't like my, how I say, you know, I actually, changing my mind. I think this is gonna be the top. She doesn't, she also said did she say something about saliva? I'm not sure. No, normally I don't, sorry, I'm just gonna get this way first and then, normally I don't respond to trolls, but to be honest, she seemed like a little unhappy and not well, but also I was really hoping, because I could laugh at it, but I'm assuming that I'm not the only one that she talks to that way. And I would hate for other YouTubers to kind of get that abuse, because it is quite abusive. And I don't mind constructive criticism. Oh, just like that. See how I did that? I think she doesn't like that. I don't mind constructive criticism, but not if you are trying to be cruel. That's not okay with me. You know what I mean? Okay, so we're seeing some cool thingies here. I don't like what's happening here. So yes, I think part of my accent is regional, I guess. I can't really do anything about my saliva situation. I didn't realize it was a problem. All right. Okay, we have some cool, okay. I'm not hating anything. I'm gonna take this part off here. What do you think so far? Is it interesting? And then maybe we can add some, ooh, I did it again. Now I'm gonna be self-conscious about it. Maybe we can add a swipe to break up the parts we don't like, but okay. Okay, I'm not, right? You getting my vibe? It's very like, ooh, Miami Vice. Okay, you know, I'm nervous too. I'm just gonna change my glovies. So this is my idea, before I change my glovies, to take the Cell Activator and perhaps just do like a little bit, right? 80s vibe. All right, let me get new gloves. Actually, it's fine, I'm so clean, you know that. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. And I suppose I should bloom with the Glidden to test it out. Although, I don't know. Oh, I broke the glovies, but it's cool. Don't worry. Now, are we ready? I have my knife. I'm gonna take my Cell Activator, and you know, I'll show you here. I frost the knife. Frosting, okay. And aren't we feeling, although I really like how the paint is eating it a little bit. Should I not start all the way? And just, because this little thing's bothering me? I don't know, ready? It might not do anything because it's pretty thick. It might do something. I don't even hate it, even if it doesn't do it. Like, cause I have a few cells. Do you know what? I love how abstract I am. I'm very excited for myself. Do you know why? I always wanted to do abstract art like before when I was a portrait artist, and I couldn't, my brain doesn't work that way. Like when I do portraits, I look at a picture and basically copy the shapes and whatever, and I can do that. I admire abstract artists so much. But look, I'm an abstract artist now. And I really like these. Oh, sorry. That's for you, lady. Slurp it up. She said I slurped. Anyways, I think I'm happy with this. And I'm going to, maybe next video we'll do a bloom with this, but like marbled Miami Vice. Swipe. I'll do a close-up. Love you guys. Tell me, am I an abstract artist now? Okay, I have a 12-incher here. And I'm gonna do kind of like what I used to do with my ink blooms, my alcohol ink blooms. You'll see in a minute. Let's give it a go. This is quite thin, so I want to be careful how I blow. I guess I can start with the purple. And hello, I was looking at the purple. You know what I mean. This is, by the way, a custom thing I did. So I'm going to like kind of block them, you know, block the colors a little bit for a little interest to see what happens. That was TLP Psych. I guess I can go from light to dark. Is that interesting? This is TLP Groovy. Kind of like a pinwheel thing. This is, I don't want to put them close together. This is, you know what I'm, Hustle, that's what it is, TLP Hustle. I'm going to break it up a bit. This is TLP, did I say Groovy? No. Deja Vu. Then I'll put the Hustle. No, Groovy, whatever. Guys, whatever. Groovy, Hustle, Deja Vu. They're one of those. And to top it off, I made a custom Dusty Perps. Okay. And I'm just going to use the turquoise cell activator, right? Why don't I just do this while we're here? I feel like it's going to spin out quite a bit. Okay, are you ready? I see like a buble or a thingy. Let's see. I always play buble or thingy. I think it was a thingy. Look at that. Okay. Turquoise cell activator. Now this cell activator is going to take a while to develop. So I'm going to get big cells. If I get cells at all. This would be this is why Shelly uses these in her transfer blooms, because it takes a long time. Let's wait a minute, see what happens. Like, look at, oh my God, these colors. Let's just let them, like my eyeballs are burning. I don't know if your eyeballs are burning. Let's let it happen. You know what? I'm going to stretch it before they develop, and we'll see them develop very low. Oh my God, are your eyeballs burning? Mine are. And they're going to keep developing as I spin. Oh my God. Do you see? Like, that's my dream right there. I hope this lighting does it justice. My dream. Here, dream. Dream. Okay, we're gonna keep spinning as they develop. As you know, normally I wait for my cells to develop, but this was so much. We're gonna get big and smaller cells at the same time. Because look, for instance, see these huge ones? And then the small ones are popping up. Really, really cool. I almost wanna do this again. Can you guys see? Yeah. Because it's kind of like doing a transfer bloom without transferring, you know what I mean? Less mess for sure. Oh God. Like, look at this. What is that tied? Oh my God, guys, I'm dying. Are you dying? Can you see what I'm seeing? Okay, let me do a close up. I'm really happy. Should we do another one? Maybe. Stick around. Let's see if I do another one. If not, I love you guys. Let me know what you think of these tie-dye cells. Bye.